Hey everyone, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chewy chocolate chip cookies. They are my favorite recipe, so let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with just chopping up some Lindt chocolate. You don't have to do this, this is optional. I like this because it adds big pieces and small pieces of chocolate throughout the cookies. After, I'm just going to put the chocolate aside, and in my KitchenAid mixer, I'm creaming together the sugar and the butters. You want this to get super pale in color. I'm going to beat it for about 5 minutes. You really want the sugar and butter to kind of become one. So this is after about 2 minutes, and about 5 minutes you see how pale it is in color. Then I'm adding in the eggs one at a time. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to scrape down the bowl after each addition and make sure it's really added in there. After the eggs are added in, I'm just going to add in the vanilla as well. You can see I'm just eyeballing it here. I don't think I've ever measured vanilla in my entire life. After that, I'm going to add in the dry ingredients, so the flour, salt, and baking soda. I want to make sure that the flour isn't overworked here. Then I'm adding in the chocolate chips, making sure not to overmix it. After that, I'm going to put a parchment sheet paper onto a baking sheet, and I'm scooping out the cookie dough with a little portion scooper, and I'm going to freeze the dough. It makes the cookies turn out so much better, so you can actually keep them super close here because we're going to freeze them and then put them into the oven, so they're not going to spread out here. After they've been in the freezer for about an hour, I'm going to bake them. I'm just doing about 5 right now, and I have a little trick. Once they're about halfway done, I'm going to bang them on the countertop like you just saw me do there. It releases all the air in the cookies, so you get a nice crispier bottom, and I'm topping it with some more chopped up Lindt chocolate. You can see here they're nice golden brown color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out the chocolate chip cookies. Let me know how they are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!